This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable Do Not Track on the Vivaldi web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Vivaldi web browser opened up now. To enable Do Not Track, the first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper left-hand corner, up to the little V logo. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now in the little dialog box that opens here, the pane off to the left-hand side, I'm going to click on Privacy and Security. And then right up here towards the top under Tracking Prevention, ask websites not to track me. By default, this is not enabled, but to enable it, all you do is check that box there. Ask websites not to track me. That is how to enable Do Not Track on the Vivaldi web browser. Thanks for watching.